It's the fall. The weather is finally starting to cool down, I think, because today it was almost 90 degrees and it's been like that for the entire month of September, but who knows? Who knows? But fall means layering, and layering means jackets. Today we're talking about leather jackets, but not just any leather jacket. I'm talking about biker jackets. But more specifically,
get on with it. Yes, get on with it.
I'm talking about the Brando jacket. But we're not just gonna talk about the jacket. No. I am Levi Peters. This is Demetrios Levi, and today I'm gonna show you 3 ways how to style a biker jacket. But before we go into details, a little bit into the history. So Irving Schott invented the first motorcycle jacket in 1928. Well, he designed it. It was manufactured by he and his brother Jack's company, Schott NYC. It was not only the first motorcycle jacket, but it was the first jacket to actually have zippers on them. Pretty cool. The jacket gained way more fame when Marlon Brando wore them in the movie The Wild Ones. That movie was back in 1953. And that's why it's sometimes called the Brando jacket, because Marlon Brando. Enough said. It was also worn by the punk band The Ramones and is a defining characteristic of the punk scene to this day. It's also the only jacket I ever wear at metal concerts. Brando jacket is the definition of cool because of its asymmetrical zippers, its lapels, and its just overall masculine design. These jackets come in white, gray, oxblood, brown, even suede tan colors, but mostly, and my personal favorite, black. Cool, so we got the history behind it, but how do you style it? I'm going to show you 3 ways how I usually style this jacket. If you want, you can also break it down to its core elements and get your own take on it with your own personal style. That'd be pretty cool. So let's start with the most casual one and the look I love to rock, the one I'm wearing right now. I call it the Marlon Brando. It's essentially just wearing this with a white t-shirt, jeans, and either boots or sneakers. You can rock this look the way I did it today. It's more of a younger kind of guy's street style inspired look. It's got the white t-shirt, but I'm untucking it and I'm wearing black biker panel skinny jeans with it, with the white sneaks. Also got a little extra detail, you know. If you want to add a necklace, just add a little bit of extra detail because little things like this can totally elevate your outfit. Or you can go the 1950s route, which I love to do. The more classic look with this is the jacket and a white t-shirt tucked in to some blue jeans. That looks fantastic to me. I love it. This is the quintessential bad boy look and something perfect for those Saturdays with the boys. The second look is what I like to call date night. Anyway, I'm rocking a turtleneck with this look, and for me, the key here is the slim profile it gives. And the all black look makes it perfect for those nights out where you don't want to be too dressed up, but you want to take it up a notch. You can wear jeans or chinos like I did here. I've even seen it work with the knee-ripped black skinny jeans, and it actually looks pretty cool. You can wear trousers with these, but for me, I didn't want it to be too dressed up, so that's why I chose chinos. Of course, I gotta bring out those beautiful black Chelsea boots. The slim profile just finishes this look perfectly. This is one of my favorite ways to wear this because I just friggin' love turtlenecks.
One with a collar, turtleneck.
The last look here is what I like to call the edgy employee. This is a great look when you want to be dressed up or you are already dressed up, but you want to fit with the night look out of town. But you want to go out for a night in the town. But you want to go out in the town at night. But you want to go out for a night walk and you want to go out in the town at night. How hard is that to say? This is a great look if you want to be dressed up or you already are dressed up that day, but you want to go out in the town at night. Be a bad boy, but still show some class.
I'm a very good bad boy.
For this look, I have some dress slacks, a white Oxford with a black tie. Now, I normally don't dress this monochromatic, and I personally just don't care for gray. I find it dull, but that's just me personally. But for this look, I like it without color. But if you had, let's say, an oxblood colored jacket, it would look great with like a burgundy knitted tie or something. As a matter of fact, you can actually use a colorful tie to just add a pop of color to the entire outfit. That would look awesome. Again, I'm rocking the Chelsea boots, but this look would also go good with some black leather sneakers or some black leather loafers. That would look awesome. So there you are, the Brando jacket, and 3 ways to style it. The Brando jacket is so versatile and one of the coolest jackets you can ever get. If you don't have one already, I really recommend getting one that has... If you don't have one already, I really recommend getting one that 1, fits you well, and 2, is made of real leather. I mean, you can go with faux leather, but the quality isn't gonna be there. And the real leather ones are as tough as nails, man. Whoa. Whew. I mean, I go everywhere with this jacket. I've had it for years. I wear it all the time. No signs of wear at all. If you just take good care of it and use a leather conditioner on it every once in a blue moon, you're good to go, man. It'll last you decades. You'll definitely save money in the long run. I guarantee it. The great thing about these looks is that you can put your own spin on it and make it your own with your own personal style. I'd like to propose a challenge of some sorts. If you have any, message me pictures of how you would style these looks on my Instagram at Demetrios Levi. I'd love to see your takes on these, and I'll share my favorite ones on my Instagram story and on the next YouTube video. Sound good? There on my Instagram, you'll find outfit ideas and inspiration that I post. If you dug this video, give it a like and subscribe if you're new here. Also, hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be actually notified when the next video comes out. But before I leave a comment down below what look was your favorite and how you would style the Brando jacket. I'd love to know what you guys have to say because, as you all know, we are in this together. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Kalinichta. All right, short one. Oh, jeez, though. Hey, man. Thank God it's short.
It's my life, whatever I wanna do. It's my life, wherever I wanna go. It's my life, whom I wanna love. Oh, it's my life, whatever I wanna talk. It's my life, wherever I wanna walk. It's my life, whom I wanna live. Oh, I'm a true liar.